Hello everyone, welcome to ICT World. Today we're gonna learn keyboarding. So can anyone tell me what is a keyboard? The device that has many keys which can be pressed to make characters is called a keyboard. As you see guys, this is how a keyboard looks like. So let's explain what is actually a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device, which means I'm the one who's giving the computer, I'm the one who's typing or pressing on the buttons. It's an input device that contains a set of keys used to enter characters and functions by pressing buttons, or sometimes we call it keys. Can anyone tell me how to connect a keyboard to a computer? Of course, a keyboard is not working alone without any connection. So we need to connect the keyboard to the PC that we are working on, so the keyboard can show the buttons that we are pressing. So we have two ways of connecting a keyboard to a PC or to a computer. The first way is using a cable, which is just a wire that is connected between the keyboard and the PC or the computer. And the second way is wireless connection. Now we're gonna learn the most used keys on the keyboard. Let's explore the keyboard buttons. This is how a keyboard looks like. We're gonna start up from the left side. We have caps lock key, we have number keys, we have backspace, delete, shift, space bar, enter, and arrow keys. We have two shift buttons and two enter buttons. Now let's start with caps lock button. We press the caps lock button to type in capitals. For example, if you want to type your first letter of your name, it should be capital. So we click on caps lock to make the first letter capital, and we press it again to type in the lower case to get it back to lower case. It's easy guys, as you see, hello change. Now we're gonna talk about the enter button. As we said that we have two enter buttons. We press the enter button to move to the next line. For example, if you're writing a letter and you just finished the first line and you want to go to the another line, or you wrote a title and you want to go to the other line, the next line, we're gonna click on enter button to go or to move to the next line. The third button is the space bar. We press the space bar to put a space between words. Of course, when we write a sentence, the words are not supposed to be sticked together, so we leave space between the words. We leave this space using space bar. Now we're gonna shift to arrow buttons. We use the arrow buttons to move the cursor up, down, forward and backwards. Sometimes we just write a letter that's wrong, so we need to go back to delete it. Sometimes we want to shift forward to go to another letter, so we just shift up, forward and backward, and up and down. As we said, we're gonna talk now about the shift button. Hold down the shift button and press an alphabet key to make it capital letter. For example, if you don't want to write a full word with capital letters, so instead of just clicking on caps lock every time, click shift with the letter that you want to make it capitalized, then it's the only letter it's gonna be capitalized. That's all. Now we're gonna go to the backspace button. We click backspace button to delete the letter we just typed. For example, if I wrote a letter that I don't need, all what I need to do is just click on backspace button. It's the button that you see on the keyboard, and we click on it to delete what we don't need from the word or from the sentence. At the end, guys, please always remember these tips of positioning, how to sit on your PC while typing. It's really important. It's for your safety, guys. It's really important to sit in the perfect way, actually. Always remember, like any new skill, it will take time to practice. Just keep typing. And at the end, please keep studying, stay home, stay safe.